Welcome back, Excel Explorers. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by cluttered spreadsheets or wished for a cleaner, more focused workspace, the View tab is your new best friend. From freezing panes to customizing your layout and managing windows like a pro, this tab gives you total control of your Excel environment. Let's dive in. Section 1. Workbook Views Group. Let's start with different views you can use depending on your task. Normal View. This is the default layout you see when working with Excel. Clean and simple. Page Break. Preview. Great when preparing a print layout. Shows where pages will break, you can drag those lines to customize them. Page Layout. See how your worksheet will look when printed headers, footers, margins, and more. Custom Views. Save a specific layout, e.g., zoom, filters, hidden rows, and quickly switch between them. Pro tip: use custom views to jump between print layout, editing layout, and presentation views without manually resetting everything. Section 2. Show group control exactly what's visible on your screen. Ruler. Especially useful in Page Layout view helps with margin alignment. Grid lines. Turn them off if you want a cleaner look for dashboards or forms. Formula bar. Hide it if you need more vertical space useful when presenting data. Headings. Remove row and column headers for a minimalist view. Pro tip: turn off grid lines and headings when designing printable forms or dashboards. Section 3. Zoom Group Focus In or Zoom Out. Zoom. Open the Zoom dialog box and choose exactly how much you want to zoom in or out. 100%. Reset Zoom to default. Zoom to selection. Auto-fits your zoom to whatever cells you've selected. Very handy for quick checks on tables or sections. Pro tip: press Ctrl plus mouse scroll for fast zooming in, out. Section 4. Window Group Multitasking. These tools are for you. New window. Opens a second window of the same workbook. You can view different sheets or areas side by side. Arrange all. Choose how to display multiple windows tiled, horizontal, vertical, or cascade. Freeze panes. One of the most powerful tools in Excel. Freeze top row. Freeze. First column. Freeze custom panes wherever your selection is. Use this to keep headers visible while scrolling. Split. Divide your window into separate scrollable areas. Great for large data comparisons. View side by side. Compare two workbooks or two sheets of the same file. Excel will auto-align scrolling. Synchronous scrolling. Both windows scroll together, turn this on, off as needed. Pro tip: combine new window plus view. Side by side plus freeze panes equals the ultimate review combo. Section 5. Macros Group. Macros. Yes, this tab even gives you access to your recorded macros. You can view existing macros, run them, record new ones, assign shortcuts. If you use view settings repeatedly, record a macro to automate your layout. The View tab isn't just about looks, it's about efficiency. A clean, well-arranged Excel layout helps you think clearly, work faster, and impress your boss or clients. So, next time your spreadsheet feels overwhelming, hit the View tab and take back control.